if you're willing to put the time in, if you have a good resource for a lot of, like I end up with a lot of springs, and I made quite a few springs.
They're really hard to work with. Like spring steel is like a real mother to beat into submission.
It's a good one. I start friends off. You want to learn? I start them off on spring steel because, like I said, I have a bunch of coil springs from larger
Should
vehicles.
give them something like old railroad nails or something. Make a knife out of that. That's like a cool project.
It's good practice, and ultimately everything you're going to do is going to be practice. Your first few knives, I don't know. I still use my first knife. The heat treat came out right. It's functional, but the form is wonky. It's not at all what I envisioned, but it got me going. It was also a file. The thing about forging, it's just amazing. Like Finbear said, the way you have to look at it, like it's kind of like dough, and if you as long as you have your steel to a proper working temp, it should move fairly easily. Even non-high carbon, regular mild steel, they call it, is much easier to work. If you want to just play around, you can build something like this easily, put a piece of rebar in there and start shaping it out, make something functional, hooks, campfire hooks, or all kinds of So practice is good. It's like anything. You have to weigh how much time you want to put in for what you're going to get back. Like
have you tried making any tools like hoes or axes or anything like that?
That's actually what I'm most interested in. Axes especially. I'm really kind of an axe. Yeah. Well, and that's ultimately the way you should start, is get mild steel and start building all your own tools. Build your own tongs, make your own hammers, make your own drifts, punches. It's a time
practice.
A lot of
practice is making your own simple tools.
Yeah, I approach it all from a survivalist aspect, really, like Mad Max almost. Like if I had nothing, no money, no store, but I needed something that was actually functional and going to work, and it's been a learning curve, of course. I'm at the point now where I could harvest. I'm confident in what I harvest, what it's going to turn out like. I put in here and there. It says testing. Spark testing is probably one of the biggest things to do to see what kind of steel you're working with, and it's another eye kind of. There's charts you can get really easily if you Google it. Examples of what kind of sparks you're looking for. Like generally, you want the more sparks, the better.